So we don't have a PhD program here at Notre Dame, and over the last few years I've realized that I miss working with PhD students. And I thought, what would be a useful substitute? What could I do interesting with students that might kind of replicate that experience? I teach a qualitative marketing research class to MBA students, where I train them basically to do ethnography. They learn how to do participant observation, depth interview, photography, videography, projective tasking, just a range of qualitative methods that helps them, dig a little bit more deeply into consumer behavior and understand consumers a little bit more holistically than they might otherwise. And I thought maybe it'd be interesting to handpick a team of undergraduate students, right, that would serve as research assistants for me on a research project that I would find particularly compelling, right? And so I picked a group of undergrad students, and they participated in my MBA class. They trained with the MBAs, they formed a team, they studied manscaping, right? They looked at male grooming patterns as basically as a tune-up for the project that we would do later. So I trained them in the spring. They did their test project, kind of their maiden voyage, and learned the techniques as they practiced them. Got some pretty good insights and I think good experience in the field. Then what we did the following fall was we launched the study of tailgating here at Notre Dame. And we put these students into the field, turned them loose in the parking lots and out in the fields to interview and video and photograph consumers in the process of tailgating, right? And this will be an ongoing project. This was our first season out in the field. They produced some pretty interesting findings.
About Arrival. Arrival is all about claiming your spot. Some people will get here, we've talked to people who've gone to tailgating at 4:30 in the morning just so they can make sure they have their prime location. And then once you actually have your prime location, it starts to become about saving spots for your friends.
So having analyzed basically the basic timeline of tailgating, we started to look at how we can go deeper. And so we're starting to get into what we call this is the first of the 5 C's. This is conviviality. And through our data, we collected and analyzed, we really found this was present. And by conviviality, we mean, well, first of all, conviviality is a Latin term coming from banquet and to live. So when we looked at that, we took that to mean literally the camaraderie, people taking drinking and feasting. And we were able to basically draw 3 groups out of that, which were food creations and the pride that people take in their food, the aspect of overindulgence that goes along with tailgating, and meeting new people and networking. Also playing into this is kind of the dance of host and guest, looking at hospitality. Julia touched on it also as well, but with hospitality, host and guest, we really see different roles people take on. Almost every tailgate we went to when we were collecting data, we were told to talk to a specific person. It was, you have to talk to him. He's the cook, he's the tailgate master. And beyond that, we saw that some people, it didn't even matter if they went into the game. Somebody had the role as cooking up until breakfast was done, and as soon as lunch came, they were off the hook ready to go to the game, and the next shift of people came in.
It turned out to be an area that I think is rich enough for continued exploration. I think we'll be able to make some interesting contributions to the field using tailgating as the context, the focus of our study. And it was great fun working with these young students because they are so enthusiastic, they're so committed and dedicated, so that this drive for getting undergraduates involved in research here at Notre Dame played out really nicely here in terms of my own research practice.
Can you just tell me about tailgating?
Tailgating is something I look forward to every single year. It's like where perfect strangers get together at times and just socialize.
Socialize?
Socialize. You can walk up to almost any tailgate and they'll be like, hey, you want some food? You want like something to drink? And it's part of the family.
So you mentioned family.
Yes. As in like the Notre Dame family.